In this lesson we're going to talk about grips. Now grips are probably one of the most versatile tools that we see in AutoCAD, and we could use grips to achieve any kind of modification we'd like. Before everything, we're going to take a look at my command line. Now here I have my dynamic input on. Dynamic input gives us a little bit more functionality when we're working with grips. Now let's see what these grips are. On my screen I've got some very simple line works here. First of all, we're going to take a look at this line here. Now when I select that line, notice we get three little blue dots here. Those are the grips. I'm going to select this one right here, and as I select that, notice we get some fields with some numbers. Those fields represents the amount that I'd like to change the length of this line, and I can get to the other fields. Actually there are 4 fields here, but we can see 2 here. I can get to the other fields by pressing the tab key, and this field represents the total length of this line, and if I press tab, this tab represents the total angle of the line. I press tab, and this field represents the amount of angle we want to change this line. Now I'm going to press tab and tab one more time and change the length of this line to maybe 15 and enter. See, now we'll take a look at this circle. I'm going to select this circle, and notice when I hover on these points, these grips give us some geometrically accurate information about this circle. And I'm going to select the circle. When the circle is hot, when the grip is hot, I can change all those properties of the line. Now this field is the amount of radius that I want to change this circle. I want to change the circle or make it smaller as 1 unit. I'm going to type 1 and press enter. As you see now, it's 1.7. And to press escape and take a look at this arc here. Going to expand a little. Now I'm going to select that. Now we can stretch this arc to make it bigger, or to make it smaller. I'm going to make it smaller here. Now it didn't work because my here object snap got in our way. So I'm going to press escape here, and let's see a little more work here. I'm going to select this line here and get this grip and snap it to the center of this circle, and the other one and snap it to the center of this circle. Now take a look at this. When I select any of these grips, I can do a lot of things with this grip. I can right click and move this, rotate this, scale this, mirror this. I'm going to rotate this along that grip, or right click and move this, or all other options that are available there. I can scale this by just moving our cursor. I'm going to press escape. Let's select all of these here and rotate all of these in the from this field here, and type 0 and enter. Let's do it one more time. Rotate it and rotate it 90 degrees and press enter. Now let's use this on a more practical example. Now here on my screen I've got a finished example on the right and a unfinished example on the left, and we're going to make this look like as the other one on the right. First of all, we have to finish some lines here, delete some lines here. So for that we're going to have to select these, delete these, and we're going to select this grip and snap it to this endpoint, as we don't need it anymore, that head. And let's select this line, this grip, and press tab to get to the overall length of that line and change it to 3 and enter. Press escape, select this line, select this grip, and press tab and enter a value of 4.75 and press enter. Now that we've done that, we can launch the line command and make a line from these two endpoints and press escape. Actually, grips have got more than we have seen in this example, and if you know how to use these little blue dots, you can make your way into 3D modeling.